How to schedule an email in Outlook on browser. This tutorial shows you how to set a specific time for your email to be sent automatically. First, open your browser and go to Outlook.com. Then log into your account. From there, click New Mail to start composing your email. After that, fill in the recipient, subject line, and the body of your email as you normally would. At this point, instead of clicking Send, click the drop-down arrow right next to the Send button. Following this, click Schedule Send from the options that appear. From here, you'll see a few preset time suggestions. If one of them works for you, just select it. After that, if you want to set a custom date and time, click Custom Time and pick exactly when you want the email to go out. Finally, confirm your selected time and click Send. The email will sit in your Scheduled folder and go out automatically at the time you chose. Keep in mind that if you need to cancel or reschedule the email before it sends, just go to your Scheduled folder, open the email, and make your changes from there. That's how you schedule an email in Outlook on browser. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you never miss one. See you in the next one.